Hello! Have you ever dreamed of a life without end? An eternal existence where time is no longer a limit? The concept of immortality has haunted humanity since the dawn of history, being the subject of countless legends, myths, and burning desires. We search for the elixir of life, the fountain of youth, but does immortality truly exist? Are there creatures on this very planet that hold the secret we so desperately crave? Today, we will embark together on an astonishing scientific journey, unveiling secrets and discovering the only three types of creatures on Earth scientifically recognized as having the ability of biological immortality. This is not just a story about life and death, but also a powerful reminder of the wonders and mysteries that Mother Nature still keeps hidden. From tiny jellyfish that can reverse aging, to endlessly regenerating flatworms, to coral reefs that live for thousands of years. Are you ready to face the truth that death might just be a choice for some of these special creatures? Let's explore together. Turritopsis dohrnii, jellyfish, the reset button of life, the eternal life cycle. The first creature on our list is perhaps the most famous candidate for the title of immortal creature, the Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish, also known as the immortal jellyfish. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it is completely real. Imagine a creature capable of turning back time, returning to its juvenile stage after having matured and reproduced. When faced with danger, illness, or simply old age, instead of dying, this jellyfish can transform back into a polyp, its original larval form. From this polyp, it can develop again into an adult jellyfish and start a new life cycle, repeating endlessly. This is true biological immortality. They never die of old age. They have a natural reset button to restart their life. Scientists are studying this tiny jellyfish in hopes of decoding the secret of cell regeneration and applying it to medicine, combating aging in humans. The existence of Turritopsis dohrnii has truly changed the way we perceive life and death on Earth. Flatworm, planarian, the master of regeneration. Oh my. Noi. Unlimited. If the immortal jellyfish has the ability to reset its life cycle, then this second creature is a true master of regeneration, far beyond our imagination. The flatworm, also known as planarian. At first glance, they are just small flatworms, nothing remarkable. But don't be fooled by their appearance. If you cut a flatworm into hundreds of small pieces, each piece can regenerate into a complete new flatworm with all organs, including the brain. This means they are almost impossible to kill from physical injury. Not only that, flatworms also have the ability to regenerate old, damaged cells, helping them maintain a forever young state at the cellular level. Scientists have observed some species of flatworms living in laboratory environments without any signs of aging, continuously dividing and regenerating. The secret lies in their pluripotent stem cells, which can transform into any type of cell needed. Research on flatworms opens a door of hope for regenerative medicine, helping us better understand the body's ability to heal itself. Black coral, engraving the passage of time, witness to a millennium. Finally, we come to an immortal creature in a different way, more quietly and majestically. Black coral, especially species in the order Antipatharia. When you hear about coral, you might think of colorful coral reefs at the bottom of the sea. But black coral is different. They are the architects of the ocean, living slowly but extremely long. Scientists have found black coral specimens aged up to thousands of years, even over 4,000 years old. This makes them one of the longest living creatures on the planet, witnessing countless changes in the ocean and Earth's history. They grow very slowly, only a few millimeters per year, but persistently survive through millennia. Although they do not regenerate like flatworms or rejuvenate like jellyfish, black coral achieves immortality by continuously adding new layers of living tissue onto their old skeletons, allowing them to grow endlessly and resist the passage of time. Their endurance and extraordinary longevity have made black coral a living data repository on climate change and marine environments over thousands of years. So, can humans be immortal? The limits of life. After discovering these miraculous creatures, The biggest question is surely, can humans be immortal? The ability to rejuvenate like jellyfish, regenerate like flatworms, or live for thousands of years like black corals is still a distant dream for us. The human body is much more complex, with aging being a natural and irreversible part of the life cycle. However, research on these immortal creatures is opening new promising doors. Scientists are striving to decode the genetic and cellular mechanisms behind their longevity. From there, they hope to find ways to slow down aging, cure age-related diseases, or even significantly extend human lifespan. Although we may never achieve complete immortality, gaining a better understanding of the secrets of life on Earth will certainly bring major breakthroughs for medicine and science in the future. Perhaps immortality is not the ultimate goal, but rather the journey of exploration and understanding of ourselves and the world around us. And these are the only three creatures on Earth scientifically recognized as having the ability of biological immortality. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish, with its ability to reset its life, the planarian flatworm with unlimited regenerative capacity, and the black coral, a millennia-old witness of the ocean. Their stories are not only natural wonders, but also an endless source of inspiration for science, urging us to continue exploring the mysteries of life. We may not be immortal, but human capacity for learning and adaptation is limitless. Always be curious, explore, and cherish every form of life on this wonderful planet.